Hi there, it's Jenny at Olivewood Gardens and Learning Center, and boy, today is a blustery day. We just had a lot of rain, so our garden is loving it. Now, as I'm walking through my garden and I'm seeing all of the beautiful colors, I'm reminded about how excited we get when it rains, because then we don't have to use our resources, right? We can let the rain do its magic. So, look at that bed right there. The rain's done some magic on that bed. It's beautiful green. And even on our succulent plants here. All right, so there's one other thing that we do here to be sure that we always have water when we need it. And we have these rain barrels. Oops. All right, these rain barrels each hold 50 gallons of water. So whenever it rains, the rain comes from the top of the roof here and it goes into our rain gutter. And our rain gutter, instead of going down a pipe and out into the street where it'll go into the sewer and eventually into our oceans, we collect them in these rain barrels. So I've got one rain barrel here, fills all the way up, 50 gallons, and then it goes over into our next rain barrel. It fills all the way up, 50 gallons, and then when that's full, it goes through another connection and it starts filling up our third rain barrel, 50 gallons. Now, if we have 3 rain barrels, each holding 50 gallons of water, when they're full, how many gallons of water do we have? Do you know the answer? If you do, put the answer in the comments below. Now, not only do we have these 3 rain barrels here, but over at our really cool house, along the side, we have 3 more rain barrels. That's 3 more rain barrels that each hold 50 more gallons. This is something that most houses in apartment complexes, in condos, in San Diego can have, and in National City can have, so that you can save rainwater and use it when it's not a rainy day. Let me show you how it works. At the bottom of each of these rain barrels, there is a spigot. Spigot looks like this, and when it's time for us to use water, we just turn it on like that, and the water comes out. Now, there's a spigot at the bottom of each of these rain barrels so that each rain barrel can independently use water. Smart thinking, right? All right, that's all the time I have today. It was nice chatting with you, and we'll see you soon. Bye.